All right, good day. This is Ago Sunday from Cat Social Technology. This video is in respect to our upcoming training workshop, GIS for Facility Management. Okay, the essence of this video is to actually brief our students what and then the advantage of what they are going to learn. Okay, this is GIS for Facility Management. We are now here to actually teach you facility management. We want to show you how you can use GIS to manage your facilities. Okay. One of the aspects we'll be focusing on is estate management. How do you use GIS to manage estate? For example, if you have a large number of buildings in a particular location as an estate, and then you want to actually track every facilities or everything in that place, possibly land allocations and all that, or building allocation. Customers, you don't actually need to be going to the site all the time to do such allocation. We can actually digitize everything in view of the satellite image so that you can, you know, do your allocations or possibly plot match your a particular building to a particular client that is interested in achieving. And then with your critical data collections from the site, you can actually present all the what the client needs to actually show them everything that is they need to know from the comfort of your office without directly going to the site. Okay, that is one of the advantage. And then at the same time, the visualization aspect of the GIS can actually help you to see. Okay, that takes us to another serious topic that we are going to cover, which is geotagging. Geotagging is just for ability to tag photos of some of those facilities. For example, if you have a two-bedroom, you can have pictures of each of the room and then geotag it to each of the vectors, that is the rooms that you're going to design or digitize on your GIS environment. The way you design it or the building is being drawn using normal CAD software, you can do that in QGIS software and then geotag those pictures so that, for example, if you are showing your client this is two-bedroom, you can actually click and then the picture will display how the arrangement of the rooms, the features, okay, or the appliances or any other fittings you have. You understand? Every information about the estate can be shown to your client from the comfort of your office. Okay. And then another thing that we're going to cover as facility manager using GIS software is property mapping. Okay. For example, you have a property. Let's assume you're kind of an estate surveyors or estate managers that has properties all over, and then you have tenants all over the places. So you can actually map out the location of all your properties. So and then at the same time, you can now match the client or the tenant that is in that particular building or in that particular property. Okay, you can actually apply some trigger whereby it can actually give you alert on when the rent is supposed to be, okay, or when the tenant supposed to renew his rent, and then all the details of the tenant and every information, the pictures of the tenant can also be geotagged. So from your comfort of your office, you can just click and see every details of the particular properties in a different location. And in view of this, we are going to align it with the visualization of satellite image, right? So it's going to be an interesting workshop, okay? And the video on how you can install the software will be sent to you as well, okay? So that you install the software before the workshop day so that we'll follow each of the steps. If you don't have a basic knowledge of QGIS, which is the software you're going to use, no problem, because we're going to cover the basic training of the software itself before we go straight to the facility management. Okay, thank you very much for your time and see you in the training.